Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into convocation. 12 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Conclave, which means a private meeting. Conclave. For example, a conclave of American, European, and Japanese business leaders. Number 2. Forum, which means a meeting or medium where ideas and views on a particular issue can be exchanged. Forum. For example, we hope these pages act as a forum for debate. Number 3. Conference, which means a formal meeting of people with a shared interest, typically one that takes place over several days. Conference. For example, an international conference on the environment. Number 4. Meeting, which means an assembly of people for a particular purpose, especially for formal discussion. Meeting. For example, he stood up to address the meeting. Number 5. Assembly, which means a group of people gathered together in one place for a common purpose. Assembly. For example, an assembly of dockers and laborers. Number 6. Congregation, which means a gathering or collection of people, animals, or things. Congregation. For example, such congregations of birds may cause public harm. Number 7. Gathering, which means an assembly or meeting, especially one held for a specific purpose. Gathering. For example, a family gathering. Number 8. Convention, which means a large meeting or conference, especially of members of a political party or a particular profession or group. Convention. For example, the annual convention of the Institute of Directors. Number 9. Diet, which means a legislative assembly in certain countries. Diet. For example, the budget was passed by the Diet's lower house. If you have better examples in mind, please share them in the comment section below. Also, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.